Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap St. Petersburg local and long distance movers near me. Are you moving a long distance from the St. Petersburg area? 3 Movers can help. We are registered with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, which means we follow the rules set up to protect consumers from problems with moving companies. We will gladly come to your residence and do a walkthrough to provide an accurate estimate of the weight for your shipment. That's how we determine the price of a long-distance move, and we will give you a written quote with an explanation of any added fees, like packing, oversized items, or stair charges. If you need storage, or if your employer or military branch is paying for the move, that's no problem. We can handle international and office moves too. If you need a local moving company, you may wonder if it is better to go with a small, independent business or a national company representative. Why not both? 3 Movers is your local mover with the resources of a big company behind us. We can perform any move you need, from the smallest to the most complex, and our crew will impress you with their knowledge and friendly service. These guys know St. Pete, and they know the moving business. Call us to come to your house or apartment to submit a quote for the work you need to be done. We will be happy to explain how the process works and answer all your questions. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our St. Petersburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.